Are you preparing for the new AWS Certified Machine Learning Engineer, Associate? The MLA-C01 isn't just about SageMaker, it's about the entire ecosystem. Today, we're speed running every single in-scope service you need to know for exam day. Let's dive in. Analytics. These tools are used to ingest, transform, and analyze the raw data that eventually feeds your machine learning models. These services are Amazon Athena, query data in S3 using standard SQL without needing a server. Amazon Data Firehose, the easiest way to load streaming data into data stores and analytics tools. Amazon EMR, a managed cluster platform that simplifies running big data frameworks like Spark and Hadoop. AWS Glue, a serverless data integration service that makes it easy to discover, prepare, and combine data. AWS Glue Data Brew, a visual data preparation tool that lets you clean and normalize data without writing code. AWS Glue Data Quality, automatically monitors and manages the quality of your data pipelines. Amazon Kinesis, collect, process, and analyze real-time, streaming data at any scale. AWS Lake Formation, simplifies setting up, securing, and managing a data lake. Amazon Managed Service for Apache Flink, transform and analyze streaming data in real time using Apache Flink. Amazon OpenSearch Service, deploy, operate, and scale OpenSearch for search, log analytics, and monitoring. Amazon QuickSight, a cloud-powered business intelligence service for creating ML-powered visualizations. Amazon Redshift, a fast, fully managed data warehouse that uses SQL for large-scale data analysis. Application integration, the connective tissue that lets decoupled components of your ML system talk to each other through messaging and orchestration. These services are Amazon Event Bridge, a serverless event bus that triggers ML workflows by routing events between AWS services and your applications. Amazon Managed Workflows for Apache Airflow, MWA, managed airflow to orchestrate complex data and ML workflows. Amazon Simple Notification Service, SNS, a push-based messaging service used to fan out alerts or triggers to multiple subscribers simultaneously. Amazon Simple Queue Service, SQS, a message queuing service that decouples ML components by buffering requests to ensure asynchronous processing and reliability. AWS Step Functions, a visual workflow orchestrator that coordinates multiple AWS services into serverless ML pipelines with built-in error handling. Cloud Financial Management, the suite of tools designed to track, forecast, and optimize the cost of your high-performance ML infrastructure. These services are AWS Billing and Cost Management, a foundational service used to pay your AWS invoices, monitor monthly usage, and organize your account's financial data. AWS Budgets, a proactive tool that allows you to set custom spending or usage limits and receive alerts, or trigger automated actions, when costs exceed your thresholds. AWS Cost Explorer, a visual reporting tool that uses historical data to analyze spending patterns, identify cost drivers, and forecast future ML-related expenses. Compute, the raw processing power, from virtual servers to serverless functions, used to train models and serve real-time inferences. These services are AWS Batch, efficiently run hundreds of thousands of batch computing jobs. Amazon EC2, resizable compute capacity, know your P&G instances for GPU workloads. AWS Lambda, run code without provisioning servers, great for light inference or triggering pipelines. AWS Serverless Application Repository, a managed repository that allows you to discover, deploy, and publish reusable serverless applications and ML components, like pre-built inference functions, without needing to write code from scratch. Containers, portable environments that package your ML code and dependencies together to ensure they run consistently from dev to production. These services are Amazon ECR, a fully managed Docker container registry. Amazon ECS/EKS, run and scale Docker containers. ECS is AWS native, EKS is managed Kubernetes. Database, specialized data stores that hold everything from your structured training data to the high-speed features used by live models. These services are Amazon Document DB, with MongoDB compatibility, a fully managed JSON document database used to store and query unstructured metadata or image analysis results for ML applications. Amazon DynamoDB, a serverless NoSQL database that provides single-digit millisecond latency, ideal for serving low-latency features to real-time ML models. Amazon Elastic, an in-memory data store used for high-speed feature caching and semantic caching to reduce cost and latency in generative AI applications. Amazon Neptune, a purpose-built graph database designed to store complex relationships, often paired with Neptune ML to create advanced recommendation systems using graph neural networks. Amazon RDS, a managed relational database service used to store structured training data or serve as a traditional backend for ML integrated applications. Developer tools, the automation services that manage your code and build the CI/CD pipelines for your machine learning operations, MLOps. These services are AWS Cloud Development Kit, CDK. Define your cloud infrastructure using familiar programming languages. AWS Code Artifact, a secure, managed artifact repository that allows ML teams to store and share private Python packages, like custom pre-processing libraries, and mirror public dependencies from PyPI to ensure consistent, secure, and isolated build environments. AWS Code Build, a fully managed build service that compiles source code and runs tests. AWS Code Deploy, automates code deployments to any instance, including EC2 and Lambda. AWS Code Pipeline, automates the build, test, and deploy phases of your release process. AWS X-Ray, helps you analyze and debug distributed applications, such as those in a microservices architecture. Machine learning, the core category featuring SageMaker and pre-built AI services that handle the actual building, training, and deployment of models. These services are Amazon Augmented AI, A2I easily implement human review of ML predictions. Amazon Bedrock, the easiest way to build and scale generative AI applications with foundation models. Amazon Code Guru, an ML-powered developer tool that provides intelligent recommendations for improving code quality. Amazon Comprehend/Medical, uses NLP to find insights and relationships in unstructured text, or medical records. Amazon DevOps Guru, automatically analyzes application metrics and logs to detect abnormal behavior and provide specific recommendations. Amazon Fraud Detector, fully managed service to identify potentially fraudulent online activities. AWS Health Lake, a HIPAA-eligible service for storing, transforming, and analyzing health data. Amazon Kendra, an intelligent search service powered by machine learning. Amazon Lex, build conversational interfaces for applications using voice and text, chatbots. Amazon Lookout, vision/metrics/equipment-specific ML tools to find defects in products, anomalies in data, or equipment failures. Amazon Mechanical Turk, access a 24/7 on-demand, distributed workforce to perform tasks like data labeling. Amazon Personalize, create individualized recommendations for customers using the same technology as Amazon.com. Amazon Polly, turns text into lifelike speech using deep learning. Amazon Q, a generative AI-powered assistant tailored for work that can be tailored to your business. Amazon Recognition, adds image and video analysis to your applications. Amazon SageMaker, the flagship service for building, training, and deploying ML models at scale. Amazon Textract, automatically extracts text, handwriting, and data from scanned documents. Amazon Transcribe, uses ML to convert speech to text quickly and accurately. Amazon Translate provides fast, high quality, and affordable language translation. Management and governance, the operational hub used to monitor performance, audit access, and ensure your ML environment stays compliant and stable. These services are: AWS Auto Scaling, automatically adjusts your resource capacity, such as EC2 fleets for training or inference, to maintain performance while minimizing costs. AWS Chatbot, an interactive agent that enables you to monitor ML pipelines and receive operational alerts directly within Slack or Microsoft Teams. AWS CloudFormation, an infrastructure as code, IAC, service that uses templates to consistently deploy and manage ML environments and resources. AWS CloudTrail, a governance service that records all API calls made in your account, providing a complete audit trail of who modified an ML model or dataset. Amazon CloudWatch, a comprehensive monitoring service that provides real-time metrics and dashboards for your ML model endpoints and infrastructure. Amazon CloudWatch Logs, a centralized service to collect, monitor, and store log files from your SageMaker training jobs and Lambda functions for debugging. AWS Compute Optimizer, an ML-powered tool that recommends the most cost-effective and performant instance types for your specific workloads. AWS Config, a service that continuously monitors and records your AWS resource configurations to ensure they comply with security and operational policies. AWS Organizations, a central management tool used to govern multiple AWS accounts, enabling consolidated billing and service control policies, SCPs. AWS Service Catalog, a portal that allows organizations to create and manage catalogs of pre-approved, standardized ML environment templates for data scientists. AWS Systems Manager, a centralized operations hub used to automate tasks, manage patches, and securely store parameters like API keys across your ML stack. AWS Trusted Advisor, an automated tool that provides real-time guidance to help you follow AWS best practices for cost, security, and performance. Media, services specifically designed to capture and process time-encoded video and audio streams for real-time ML analysis. There is only one service for this category, and that is Amazon Kinesis Video Streams, a fully managed service that securely streams, stores, and indexes time-encoded video data from millions of devices for real-time computer vision and ML-driven analytics. Migration and transfer, high-speed bridges used to move massive on-premises datasets into the cloud so you can start training at scale. For this category also there is only one service is in scope, and that is AWS Data Sync, a high-speed data transfer service that simplifies and automates moving massive datasets between on-premises storage and AWS services like S3 or EFS to accelerate ML data ingestion. Networking and content delivery, the secure pathways and global front doors that connect users to your ML applications with low latency. These services are Amazon API Gateway, a fully managed service used to create, secure, and scale RESTful or WebSocket APIs that act as the front door for your ML model inference endpoints. Amazon CloudFront, a global content delivery network, CDN, that speeds up the delivery of ML-powered web content and static assets by caching them closer to users. AWS Direct Connect, a dedicated network connection from your on-premises data center to AWS that provides consistent bandwidth and lower latency for transferring massive training datasets. Amazon VPC, a logically isolated section of the AWS cloud where you can securely launch and network your ML compute resources, such as SageMaker and EC2 instances. Security, identity, and compliance, the gatekeepers that encrypt your data and manage exactly who, or what, is allowed to access your ML resources. These services are AWS IAM, securely manage access to AWS services and resources. AWS KMS, create and manage cryptographic keys to encrypt your data. Amazon MLA-C uses ML to discover and protect sensitive data in S3. AWS Secrets Manager, rotate, manage, and retrieve database credentials and API keys. Storage, the highly durable and scalable home for your datasets, model artifacts, and long-term historical archives. These services are Amazon EBS, high-performance block storage for EC2 instances. Amazon EFS/FSX, scalable file storage for sharing data between multiple compute instances. Amazon S3, the primary storage for your datasets and model artifacts. Amazon S3 Glacier, a secure, durable, and extremely low-cost storage class for data archiving and long-term backup, ideal for storing historical datasets and old model versions that are rarely accessed. AWS Storage Gateway, a hybrid cloud storage service that provides on-premises applications with seamless, low-latency access to virtually unlimited storage in the AWS cloud. That's the list. Focus on how these services talk to each other, especially how Glue or Kinesis feeds into SageMaker. If you found this helpful, hit that like button.